Hey guys, No Bunch 12 here. Today we have a 42-inch Casablanca Lady Delta from 1987. If you can see up there. Let me see. Doug's working. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Anyway, I think it's like May 27th or something. I don't know. Here's low speed. I bought this from Geoffrey, leland doctor at the Fanimation group trip for $40. Pretty good condition fan too, so it does have a recall clip, so don't be nabbing about that. Here's medium. Well, it has a very aesthetic low, to say the least. Very good fan. Very good first corner. Here's medium speed. I love this fan. It's very aesthetically pleasing, to say the least. Blows a good amount there. And here's ridiculous high. This thing flies on high. Probably because it has 42-inch blades and same exact capacitor and motor as a 50-inch fan. And 52-inch, I guess. And the air can be felt all around, of course. It's a Casablanca. The reason there's a normal fan here is because one wasn't supplied with it, so it was missing, so I just put a normal one on. It'll be fine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Of course, this is there'll be more Fanimation videos coming soon. The fans I got, I might try to upload some of the Fanimation, clips themselves. But when I was at Fanimation, I also met Nick Pojo and Jonah Mastro and some more of my collector friends there. So anyway, go check them out. That's the Misfit Fan Collectors, Nick, and I think was it just Jonah Mastro? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching.